As you know, the multiple source essay is a major part of your grade for Research Writing Methods 3345. Before you get off into writing an essay, I want to make sure that you submit a proposal so I can make sure you are on the right track. I will be leaving you comments after you submit this to help you as you guide through the journey of creating this argument essay. The problem can be where students write a research paper. That is not what this course is. This course is for writing an argument essay. What's the difference? Well, there are pages and tutorials in the course about essays and about the types of essays that are acceptable for an argument essay, also known as a position paper. What makes it a position? Well, you are taking a position based on the research that you have conducted. Step 1 in this process has been to discuss your topics in the discussion board, which you have done. Now it's time to do some research and write the proposal. The proposal includes your name, course date, and word count. There's a working title that you will give your essay. That title may change at the end of the project, but for now, this will give me an idea of what your project topic is. Next, you will include an image. The image represents the overall concept of your essay. The image may not be a cartoon image. This is a sophisticated expository essay of a position paper nature. There is no place here for cartoons. There are no words on the picture. There is no logo on the picture. So you want to select an image that represents your essay. We'll look at an example in a minute. Next is short content, where you write a short paragraph that explains why you care about this topic, what your purpose is in exploring this topic, and that kind of information. This is a short paragraph. Next is the broad topic, the umbrella under which your topic is found. Next is your narrowed focus. Where does this depart from a basic research paper into an argument essay? Are you going to be stating your opinion? Are you creating a theory essay? Problem solution, cause and effect? All of those are position papers. This narrowed focus is where you will explain in a few sentences exactly where your essay is an example of an argument essay rather than a simple research paper, which I sometimes call a book report. Now then, your research methods. This is research writing methods. So there are 3 methods required, and you will explain what those are. I have some information here in the template. Of course, you'll just erase this and put in your own words about the methods that you will be using. Blogs are never going to work. They're inaccurate. They're somebody's opinion based on whatever their criteria is, so we don't want to use that. Now, your proposed outcome. Remember, your outcome is not to tell somebody what to do. I know you say, well, my gosh, I took a position, but that's not the point. The point is that you are researching a topic, and based on your research, your opinion is this, that, or the other, and that is the proposed outcome. So you'll erase these words and put in your own words. Next, you have a working bibliography of the sources you have checked so far. If you are planning to interview somebody, you will go ahead and put that projected interview into your working bibliography so I can see where you are going to find your research, where you will be conducting different types of research. Again, research writing. Then you will have I have an example down here. Here's my example. I'm going to be writing an essay on the profits of concussions in the NFL. Oh my goodness, you say, where am I possibly going to be able to find a title image that shows this without any words or logos? Well, let's see. I'm going to go over to Google and I'm literally going to paste in the title and see what I see in images. Let's look. Paste it in my title and look right there. What a wonderful image. A little gruesome, but it certainly does show concussion. It shows money. It shows everything that my essay is about. This is a cartoon. I'm not going to use a cartoon. This shows two football players playing football. It doesn't show exactly what I'm talking about. I'm talking about profits, money, and injuries. Let's see if I see anything better than that. I can't imagine there being anything better than that. Nothing shows the money factor, does it? So let's use this one. And because we're in a classroom and we're not going to be republishing this or anything like that, we have fair usage. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to go back over to my proposal and I'm going to paste it right there. There's my title image. That may change. I don't think it will. I think that's a perfect image. Now I go on and I do my proposal and I write it out as I've indicated. Let's look at the proposal that I created for the Woodstock essay. Here's my topic proposal for the Woodstock essay. You can access all of the videos, tutorials for that process if you'd like in the course. This title changed and I just left it in Times New Roman 12 font because when I get to the final essay I'll get excited. But for right now I just want to get the proposal. There's my actual thesis statement, which I have explained and then underlined right here. And that way I can see exactly what my thesis statement is. And on it goes down to my works cited from my initial research. And you can see at that point, I didn't have a tremendous amount of research, but I had enough for me to see that I have covered the basis for the required research methods. When you complete the proposal, save that as a PDF and submit that here. That concludes this tutorial on the proposal for the multiple source essay.